So coming to an asset is fixed asset. All the fixed asset, how many, what are the assets we have? And this is very, very important. Based on the asset, like every year the depreciation will be there. The asset, what are the assets? The assets like table, computers, chair, the fixture, which is completely the immovable property. So consumable and the asset. When you observe in the store management, there are two classes, consumable and asset. So there we have to enter the item. So item purchase item. During the purchase of the item, we need to decide what type of item it is. If it is a consumable, it will be there and it will consume. Okay, if you talk about the consumable in terms of the software, so we'll purchase the software consumable antivirus. Every year the validity will be end. Similarly, if you are purchasing the Windows, that will be there until the hardware exists. That will be the asset for the institute. So both are softwares only, but one is consumable, one is asset. Okay, the papers, that is consumable. Again, if you're talking about the stapler, that is asset come consumable. So that may like broken, that may be lost. It is not completely a pure asset. Asset, again, the building, it is an asset. If it is a one building, if it is an asset. Inside the building, fans, AC, chairs, all the fixtures and the furnitures, all it will be under, all that comes under fixed assets. So fixed asset, every year we have a depreciation. Again, we have vehicles, that is also an asset for them. So all those items will come under the asset. So here also we have some of the masters. So asset classification, asset location, and asset category. So classification, what are the classifications? Classification, again, vehicle, fixture, furniture, building, computer and software, land, equipment, electrical installations. Okay. So tube, wall, and water supplies, scientific. So there are some of the items it is listed here. So anything if you require, again, we can go and just click here and we can start adding the classifications here. Asset location, this is very important. So where all we are going to fix that particular asset in the classroom. So one classroom, every classroom there is an asset. There is a 30 tables, 2 ACs, 2 fans, again, teacher table, teacher chair, okay, maybe projector, maybe computer. These are the assets in the class wise. So that class wise asset also we can maintain. Just if I select class 1A, so these are the list of items are available in the class. If anything is missing, so we can straight away ask the class teacher or the class in charge or the floor in charge. So asset category, yes, categories also we can. So classroom furniture, computers, general, and other equipment. So if you have more, you can just click on this and you can add as many numbers. So when you are creating the asset, it will asking. So asset category, okay. So asset next you can see asset items. This comes under what? The description. So which comes under again the asset equipment comes under what? Okay, again the asset depreciation amount. So that calculations will be there. Every year, every asset there is a specific calculation. So maybe 10%, maybe 5%, maybe 20%, maybe 50%. It will reduce every year. So first time purchase, the next year it will be 70 to 80% the value of that particular asset. So depending on that, we will select some of the ledgers here. So last account, where it should go, the last account, depreciation. So gain amount, so the gain amount where it will come, if it is a land, we'll get the appreciation value. Okay, if it is vehicle, we'll get the depreciation value. The same thing, if you have a computer, it will have a depreciation value. So depending on that, so we choose when we create the asset categories. So depending on that, auto calculation, it will be taken at the end of the year. So after, when we process for the depreciation. So here in the asset, what are the transactions? The transaction is asset acquisition. So first thing we need to decide where the asset is going. So what is the location? You can see that. So asset code, name of the asset, the installation date, the asset class, location, and who is the custodian for that. Okay, so you can just click here. You can see all the details here. So camera. So this is the item AV3 camera. So purchase on 2019, purchase date also we are maintained here. And then it is a cash purchase or cash purchase or the bank purchase, the detail will be given. So purchase date and the lifetime warranty is 3 years. The life 3 years, month, if there is a month, you can enter the month. The purchase cost is this. Book rate, if it is book rate is 1000. So book rate means, suppose if you have the quantity, so you can write the quantity here, book rate. Suppose if it is a 10 unit, you can write the quantity here. So next, coming back to the asset classification, we can choose the classification which comes under what, and then asset category which comes under what. Okay. So then location, where is this location? It is in the academic block 1. So as per the creation of the locations, all the locations will be displayed. So if you want to maintain block wise, if you want to maintain class wise, if you want to maintain the building wise, you can. So as per that, we have to create the locations. So next, the department wise also we can maintain physics department, IT department, mathematics department, physics lab department, physics lab. So like, who is a custodian? So list of all the employees will come here. To whom we have issued this item, who will be taking care of that particular room, who will be visiting. So that custodian. So installation date and time we have mentioned. The depreciation method, no depreciation for this. If there is a depreciation, slight straight line. So there are some technical terms. I don't know much about this. Civilized value. So if it is a 5% depreciation every year or 10% depreciation.
Depreciation is something you have a property, then like furniture, you want to sell it. So 10% or 20% reduction and you sell it and you show in the accounts.
That will be end of the year. Every year in the balance sheet, it will be calculated. So service provider who is a service information, if any service on the particular item, so that also we can maintain here. And apart from this, additional item, the same item, additional item, if you purchase two quantity, if I say, see automatically it is coming here, 2 quantity. If it is 100 chairs, we are purchasing, all 100 chairs will come. So we can give 100 chairs, 100 asset code. This asset code also will generate automatically. If it is a bulk purchase, automatically it will come. Suppose I will say IAS J / 2009 I have purchased, suppose example, and chair 1. So similarly, it will generate automatically. So it will be 2. So if it is 100 chair, it will be 100 times it will repeat. Okay. This is the asset code. So this asset code is very important. You might have observed that like anywhere if you go, the numbers will be written in the bar like this. So this is the asset code. Sometime if numbers are not there, the barcode will be there. So just if you scan the barcode, you will get the details. Okay, where is this location? What is this item? And if you are maintaining manually, so we'll write with the abbreviation of the department, or the school, or the name of the firm, and the date and the item, depending on again the item. If it is a group item, I will say only 1 to 100. 1 to 100. If it is a group item, only one code I will give for all 100 chairs. That is also possible. I can do that. Okay. So next, coming for the depreciation calculation, yes. So here you can select the computer and accessories depreciation. So here there is a calculation part. Okay. So here you can see that the list of items are showing here. So here the life warranty it is showing, the straight line. So here only it is showing the straight line, the curve line. There is some technical terms we use. So if it is a straight line, this is the salvage value. And if it is a curve line, this is the salvage value. If it is a wave line, this is the salvage value. So we can decide depending on that. So automatically that amount and the purchase amount, the depreciation amount will be calculated. So once you do it, select the items and then just click on a calculate. So it will be calculated.
Salvage is scrap item?
Scrap items. So send it for the approval. So suppose you are not the approval authority, so you have to send it to the next level for to approve. So you can send it to the approval. Because now we are in the admin. So it is showing this. So asset transfer, yes. We have purchased one computer here. We need to transfer it to the particular person. Okay, so we can transfer the asset from the main stock to that particular person. It will show you the details. So how we can transfer? Just go here. So you have the list of items here, the asset codes. You can see the asset